Broadcast. Let's now get started. And President William Ruto is set to meet US Senator Coons as Azimio la Umoja and Kenya Kwanza gets down to talks. A reporter Emmanuel To has been following up on the talks and now joins us live. Emmanuel, has the president met Senator Coons, and if they have, what was the agenda?
We are at the Bomas of Kenya, where the bipartisan talks, the round two of the talks, is currently underway. As we speak, the team led by Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka, as well as the majority leader in the National Assembly, that is Kimani Ichung'wah, are currently holed up in a meeting. But just to get back to that issue about Senator Christopher Andrew Coons from Delaware State in the U.S., we are still waiting to get confirmation from State House as to whether the meeting has happened or whether it will not happen. But yesterday we also received reports that, and actually Raila Odinga, the Azimio leader, also posted in his Twitter handle that he met Delaware Senator Christopher Coons just to discuss about a few issues. Just to quote him directly, he said that the talks, he had a very wonderful afternoon trying to exchange notes with Coons. And Coons has been in the country 3 times since President William Ruto was sworn in as president of actually after the election of the presidential election in 2022. Remember, just 3 days after he was declared president-elect, that was the first meeting with President Ruto, and the expectation that he will also be holding other meetings with the president, perhaps today or maybe tomorrow before he jets out of the country. But we're yet to get full confirmation from State House as to whether that meeting will take place. But remember, that meeting that happened yesterday was just trying to, of course, add impetus to the currently ongoing talks, the round 2 of the talks that are currently ongoing. And it is still not clear what was discussed yesterday, but most likely, according to the reports that we've received, it is about the 10 issues that were raised by both sides, from Kenya Kwanza and Azimio, which are 5 issues aside, and the 5 members aside that are currently, of course, here for that talk. And we expect that Coons will be speeding up these talks as the country gears towards some sort of cohesion purity.
All right, and also the Kenya Kwanza and Azimio la Umoja Joint Dialogue Committee this morning met for the 2nd time since the fresh talks began. Azimio accuses the Kenya Kwanza counterparts of coming late for the meeting. To is still on this beat. And To, did the talks begin, and are you privy to today's agenda?
Well, it was a kind of false start.